What's up, guys? I'm super excited to share this video with you. Today, I want to answer the question that has bothered many, which says coconut water or coconut milk? Which one is the best for ulcer treatment? Coconut milk as well as coconut water contains anti-ulcer characteristics. Therefore, drinking a few cups of fresh coconut milk or coconut water every day can be quite beneficial. Experts now believe that coconut milk is a superior anti-ulcer choice than coconut water because it creates a thick protective covering that helps prevent the treatment of ulcer by 56%, but coconut water only reduces them by 39%. The good news about this treatment, however, is that coconuts are not expensive and they are very effective in treating ulcer. Coconut milk is not to be confused with coconut water, which come naturally from a young green coconut. Coconut milk, unlike coconut water, does not happen spontaneously. Coconut water, on the other hand, contains roughly 94% water. It is substantially lower in fats and nutrients than coconut milk. How to make coconut milk? Coconut milk is created by shredding the brown fat of the flesh of the coconut, then cut it and soak it in water, and later on you filter the coconut out of the water. This solution is heavy in saturated fats. It also contains a lot of essential minerals and essential vitamins, so it is very rich. The importance of coconut tree and its parts, particularly the fruits, ensures that it remains globally mythology. It has been used in folk medicine to treat varieties of ailments including malaria, diabetes, urinogenital irritation. There's also a lot of evidence that coconut water and milk can help in hypertension, weight loss, high cholesterol, and also fight viruses and bacteria, among other things. What really causes or what are the causes of stomach ulcer? Stomach ulcer are wounds or opens in the stomach lining. The wounds get worse as the acid influx into the wounds. Antibiotics are often used to treat these infections to make sure that it diminishes the effect of those acids, or rather can also block the acids, neutralize the stomach acid so that the wound will not be that painful or get worse. Stomach ulcer can also be caused by certain prescription, especially over-the-counter prescriptions and drugs such as aspirin. It can also be as a result of anxiety or antidepressant medicines or antibiotics that we sometimes take or blood pressure medicine or medications that we take, and some other things can also be the culprits that cause this ulcer. Now, let us talk about effects of ulcer on humans. A stomach ulcer leads to nausea, vomiting, heartburn, low appetite, and weight loss. In addition to pain, as well as distress in the belly and in the stomach, it can result in hole in the stomach. And when it has hole in the stomach, it can lead to excruciating, stabbing agony or rapid pain, and that also demands rapid surgery. Only a small percentage of ulcer, however, leads to developing into cancer. Furthermore, when it was tested on animals and also on some humans, the results suggest that coconut milk can lower inflammation, combat infection, cause viruses, and also diminishes bacteria. What is the solution to ulcer, especially stomach ulcer? You must eat diet-rich meal that contains fruit and vegetables and whole grains. These are not only good for your overall health, they can also help to solve this problem or even prevent stomach ulcer from developing. Other specific things you can take to stop it, to cure it, or to prevent it is cabbage juice. It has been shown to be very effective in preventing and healing peptic and duodenal cancers. In fact, scientists believe that amino acids that is found in cabbage is responsible for cabbage anti-ulcer properties. Glutamine aids in fortification of the stomach linings as well as the improvement of the blood flow into the stomach. Another thing that you can use is garlic extract. Garlic extract has been found to be a product that inhibits the virus called Helicobacter pylori. In short, it is called H. pylori growth, which is the very particular bacteria that cause ulcer. Garlic reduces the amount of H. pylori bacteria in stomach, which can help to diminish or lead to the cure of ulcer. Another thing you can use is ripe and unripe bananas. They are all beneficial in the treatment of stomach ulcer. Banana contains antibiotic chemicals that suppress the growth of ulcer. Substances in dry and unripe banana prevent the rapid growth of ulcer and also decrease the growth of ulcer. It also, in addition, increase the mucus, the digestive tract. So banana helps to preserve the digestive system and neutralize the acidity of gastric fluids. This aids in reduction of inflammation as well as in the strengthening of the stomach lining against ulcer. Going back to cabbage. Cabbage juice was successfully used to prevent and treat peptic ulcer and duodenal ulcers decades upon decades ago before the antibiotics were developed. In one study, cabbage juice alone was found to have a cure rate of over 92% of the treatment of these ulcers. In comparison, this is much higher than the placebo medications on which is used, and when you look at the rates of its effectiveness, it is roughly 32%. Another thing you can do that can assist is eating hot and spicy food. Prior to this time, it was believed that hot and spicy food will increase the pains or the condition that will lead to having ulcer. But now it has been understood that it does not lead to ulcer or worsen it, doesn't make it to form either. Instead, it helps to prevent ulcer from forming. This is due to the fact that the pepper that is found in such food or spicy food is very active in preventing the linings from deteriorating or having holes in the stomach. That is my video for today. Thank you for staying all the way till the end. In the description of this video, you'll find other help tips that can help you to lose weight, can help you to avoid some deadly diseases, that can help you to live longer. Check it out today and you thank me later. See you on the next video, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have not done that, do it now. Thanks and bye.